and a new chief minister, and no political analyst or journalist or anybody has been able to predict this correctly. What do you think are the reasons the new chief minister is in place? And then can you tell us a little bit more about him so that our viewers can know more?
Yeah. I don't think this is new at all, Sharan. Like, I mean, of course, this sort of trend of projecting a person who is not in the forefront of media, who's not a part of the media attention, is not something new. I mean, think about 2002. I mean, Narendra Bhai wasn't the main choice for the chief minister as a replacement of the chief minister at that point of time. He was RSS Pracharak at that point of time, and he was in charge of. He was at Delhi, and he was flown all the way from Delhi to Gujarat, and he was asked to take the chief ministership of Gujarat at that point of time. And he had not contested any elections in Gujarat. Keep that in mind. So this is not something. This particular trend of getting the right person for the job need not be someone who is popular or who's sort of famous in the media. Mm-hmm. That is something which BJP truly believes in, and that I think again is a part of the culture of BJP in Gujarat. The current chief minister, who's going to take the oath as we speak right now, he comes from a very humble background. He is an engineer. He had a huge mandate he contested for the first time as an MLA in Ahmedabad, and he won by a huge mandate. So that speaks a lot in terms of the popularity of him. And we see that we sort of see that he has been chosen for the right job, and not because he comes from a particular caste or he comes from there's a lot of people following him. The party leadership thought that he's the right man for the job, and they chose him. Right. So it shouldn't come as a surprise for us, I guess.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.